Hey folks, JD here, and today we're back with the Hubsan Zino. And what we're going to do today is we're going to look at waypoints. So waypoints are something that you can set up with a quadcopter, and your quadcopter will fly between those points and then record the video of those points, or you can have point of interest, or you can just take the quadcopter out and bring it back if you prefer to fly that way. I know a couple of people that do prefer to fly that way, just by clicking on a map and clicking go rather than using the analog sticks. So for this, what we're going to do is we're going to just check that my screen's recording. Yeah, it is. Click on the map at the top and you can see where we are. Now it's very important, I think, when you come to do waypoints that you're high enough. So I go at a minimum of 10 meters, just so that I can see everything around me and I know the quad isn't going to be bashing into something. And then from here, face the way your quad is flying, and then you can just quite literally click draw, and then you can draw a point of interest. So you start off 1 to 2, and then quite literally your quadcopter, please upload the waypoints first, submit, there we go, upload successful, so it's uploading directly to the quad. And then you can click done. There we go. And then the quadcopter will take itself up and will follow your flight plan. So of course, within this time, you can click to stop it. I'm going to stop that because that is ridiculously high. Oh, why is it gone that high? Is it because I've set this waypoints at being almost 30 meters? So let's have a little look and see. So if I set waypoint settings inside here, default waypoint altitude is 30. Yeah, I don't want it to be 30. I want it to be a minimum of, say, 15. That's nice, especially for here, because I'm not going to go anywhere else around here. There we go. So 15 meters for that. So I'm going to keep my waypoint set, and then oh, there's somebody coming in the field. So I tell you what, folks, I'm going to down this, and I'll be back with you very, very shortly. Alright folks, so there were loads of people, there were 3 different groups of people, so I had to leave everyone pass. So what I've done is, in the time I was waiting, I have revamped these waypoints, and I've made something which looks a little bit nicer than just a straight line. So it goes out, comes back, and the way I did this, let me show you. So let me clear all the waypoints. So I clicked on draw, and then I just quite literally drew a triangle like that. And then I click submit, and quite literally it then uploads to the quadcopter. The quadcopter gets its coordinates and its bearings, and then you click done and it just automatically goes into waypoint mode. So now, because I've set the minimum the maximum height at 15 meters, it's going to take itself up to 15 and then fly around these waypoints. So at any point, if you feel as if the quad is either not safe or not doing what you like, then you've got the option to click stop in the top left hand corner. You always have that option. So this is something, because this is my first waypoint with the Zino, this is something that I'm going to be quite careful of and just ensure that the quadcopter is doing what I want it to. So it goes out, you can see with the red pin where the quadcopter is, and then it should be going out to number 3. It looks like it's just hitting a little bit lower than where it should. Oh no, it is following. Sorry, I'm the red pin. Good God, if I had a brain I'd be lethal. And it's following that line, so it's just hit waypoint 3. It's going to come back down the line now to waypoint 4 and then finish at waypoint 5, which is my bag. So that, do you know what, that is so simple. I mean, I remember back in the day when you had to look quite literally either type in coordinates, had to walk around with a GPS meter and type in coordinates. There we are, waypoint mission complete. This just makes it so simple. So let me clear these and let's do another one. So this time I'm going to take her out. Oh crap, I'm going to click on draw first because that'll help. And then I'm going to take it out and I'm going to draw more of a ziggy-zag wavy line. So now there are 19 points. So it's not very big, but it's going to be in quite a weird shape. And we're going to see how the quadcopter is going to follow that. So here we go. So it's going to make sure it's up at 15 meters, which it is. It's going to go back to the start, which is why it reversed. And now it's going to shoot off towards all these waypoints. So you can see the little blue arrow is the quadcopter. So it's just waypoint 3 to 4. It's just hit 4. Now it's going to reassess its trajectory, and now it's going to hit from 4 to 5. And then once it hits 5, it's going to reassess again and make sure it's at the right angle, and then go from 5 to 6. I'm watching you, Mr. Seagull. I'm watching you. It's okay, go away. And then now it's at number 6. Now it's going to reassess again, 6 to 7. and it's always reassessing. It'll never just go in one loop, it'll always go then stop, go then stop. We're at 30% battery, so when this comes back, I think that's going to be it for today. But this is going to be quite a long journey for it. We're at waypoint 7 of 18. So now it's hit another waypoint, now it's going to alter again, it's going to come back to me. That's brilliant. Now it's hit waypoint 9. Now it's going to alter. Between waypoints 9 and 11 there's a very short amount of distance, so I want to see how it handles that, because that could be quite confusing for it. Oh, it had a bit of a moment. It had a bit of a moment where it did a little bit of a circle there. So where are we now? We're at waypoint 12. Now it's hitting 12 to 13. So this is kind of like a bit of a soppy heart shape. And so far it's doing pretty good. We're at waypoint 13. Now we're hitting up 14. Fair play, it's doing really well. Sitting at 29% battery. And it's great. It's really great. I mean, this is the first time I'd opened the Waypoints app on Hubsan, on the Hubsan app today, and it literally took me 3 seconds, as you saw. I drew something, click done, it said please upload. I clicked submit, then click done. It then prompted, are you sure you want to fly with Waypoints? I clicked yes, and that was it. Really nice. Now we're at waypoint 17, go into 18, and then we're finishing off at 19, which is back over here by me. So now it's just one straight run. That's waypoint 18, and now it's coming over to 19, and that's it. There we are. Beautiful. That is waypoint, ladies and gentlemen. That is waypoint. Oh, there's looks like a bird of prey up there, possibly. Yeah, it looks like it. I don't want to injure the bird of prey. If the bird of prey thinks that I am its prey, so I'm going to bring it down. So there we are, my friends. That's waypoints. Have you made some crazy waypoints? Let me know in the comments. Let me know and exactly how far you've taken out a quad with waypoints. Really interested to find out. Alright my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and also hit that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time my friends, happy flying.